Welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into why Kaierda welding machines are the top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. From cutting-edge technology to unmatched reliability, we'll show you what makes Kaierda stand out. Let's get started. Brand reputation. Kaierda is synonymous with advanced technology, durable construction, and superior performance. Its commitment to quality has earned it trust across various industries. Key benefits: Kaierda machines are affordable and reliable, offering features such as energy efficiency, long lifespans, and user-friendly designs. These attributes make them an excellent investment for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Testimonials. Welding professionals from diverse sectors praise Kaierda's consistent performance, citing how the machines have streamlined their work and delivered excellent results. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on why choose Kaierda welding machines, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.